Yes, it was. It was pretty close there. One of the closest playing car races. Car show winners coming up. When Jason lands and the dragster's out off the runway here, we're ready for the car show winners. So maybe give you much warning, but we're going to be ready to go here very shortly. Yeah, we're going to take a break here for a few minutes. Hear the announcers to choose the wall a little bit. And when we come back after the car show winners and everything, we're going to find out our battles here. We're going to announce the winner here. I think they might want to drive the winning car up. And then, after all this introductory stuff, you're going to see the real aerobatic. And it's going to get dark, and you're still going to see aerobatic. And the drone show, and some fireworks. So, take a break, run down to the New Garden Center for healthy eating, and grab a little bit of dinner, and get ready to enjoy the rest of the show.